Paraphrasing. Now that you have an essay plan, it is time to start writing the essay. I recommend that you write your introduction as a paraphrase of the essay question. Paraphrasing means rewriting an idea using different wording. I believe that good paraphrasing is essential for achieving a Band 7 IELTS score. This is because good paraphrasing can only be done with a high level of vocabulary and grammar. Back to our essay question. First, you need to paraphrase the question in your introduction section. Do not copy the wording from the question. In my experience, candidates who copy the wording from the question do not usually achieve Band 7. Some books and teachers suggest replacing words in the sentence with synonyms or changing the word order. Although this may work in some cases, it is generally not good advice because it can make your paraphrase unnatural or completely nonsensical. Look at this example of a poor paraphrase. The paraphrased version is too similar to the original. It is clear that the candidate has just substituted some of the words for similar words. Also, the candidate has paraphrased public health, which is not the same thing as public well-being. Some words just cannot be paraphrased. Instead of making small changes to the original text, here is the way I teach my students to paraphrase. Read the original sentence carefully to understand the idea. Cover the original sentence and imagine you're talking to a friend. Focusing on the idea, not the wording, explain the idea aloud. Speak naturally. If you cannot do this, go back to step 1. Now remember what you just said and write it down without looking at the original sentence. Check your paraphrase to make sure that it has the same meaning as the original and that the tone is not too informal. Using this method, I came up with the following paraphrase of the essay question. The original idea is the same, but the wording is different. This is what makes it a good paraphrase.